Bursa Turkish Delight. Put the flour, yoghurt, milk, salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, an egg and margarine or butter in a mixing bowl and knead for 3 to 4 minutes. Transfer the dough to a work surface. Lightly sprinkle with flour and roll out to a medium thickness using a rolling pin. Cut the edges of the dough so that it forms a rectangular shape. Brush the tahini over the dough, sprinkle the crushed pistachios over the top, then sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Take the edge of the pastry and use your hands to roll into a roulade. Cut the roulade into strips of about 2 fingers wide. Cover a baking tray with greaseproof paper and place the pastries on it, lightly squeezing them to form a round. Place in an oven preheated to 180 degrees centigrade and bake for about 15 minutes until the tops have browned.